Okay, so let's discuss the exercise on two-way tables. Right. The question number 5. This two-way table shows the favorite record spot of the students in class 7H. Copy and complete the table. Use the total column and the total row to help you to work out the missing numbers in the table. All the numbers are shown in the cloud. Okay, so without cloud even we can do. Right, tell me children, from where can we start this one? From where we can start? How can
8 plus 6.
Yeah, can we
8
check
plus 6.
the tennis? The boys, those who are doing tennis, how are we going to find that number?
6 6 from 10 subtract 6.
Okay, from 10, when you subtract 6, what's the number? It's
4.
4. Okay, right. So after that, where we can start?
From 6 minus 8, 14, then 14 to 15, 1.
All right, from here, you are telling the total have given. When you add these two, you can get the squash, those who are doing squash girls, right? So 6 plus 4, 8 plus 6 is 14. From 15, when you subtract 14, it's 1. Okay, right. After that, your talk.
But which one?
Squash total. Yeah, squash total we can get easily. Girls 1, boys 7. So what's the total should be?
8.
8. Okay, right. Now here we can take the badminton total as well, right? So how to get the
14.
badminton total? It's 14. 8 plus 6, 14. Easy. So how can we get the boys total? There are two ways to get. What are the two ways to get the boys total?
32 subtract by 50.
Okay, 32 subtract 15 also you can get, as well as, what's the other way?
24 subtract by.
So
Yeah.
when you take the boys total also, you should get the same answer, right? Which is easy. The easy way is from 32, when you subtract 15,
Plus
you will
15.
get the answer as
70.
70. Right. Easily we did. Right. So we'll move to the next one. Did you all do this?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. This two-way table shows the favorite copy types of 40 adults. Copy and complete the table. Use the total column and the total row to help you to work out the missing values in the table. Right. This of course easy, right? How can we start this?
Cappuccino.
Okay. You can take this number. What's the number here?
0.
0, right? Okay. Then
18 total.
okay, you can take the main total, right? Main total also you can get. The main total should
80.
be 80. Easy.
Americano.
Yes. Is it easy to get the American total? No. So don't go for
No.
that. Go for the easy one. So we can take the Latin total, right? How to get the Latin total? Just to add no men and women. So what should be the
Yes,
total?
30.
30.
30. Right. So after that you can get the Americano total. So how to get the total? From 40, when you add these two numbers, 13 and 3, it's 26. From 40, when you subtract 26, what should be the
20.
number?
24.
24. Right. So now we can get the Americano women. From 12 to 4, when you subtract 10, it's what should be the answer?
14.
14. Okay, now here 14. Now it is to get the total.
22.
22. Very easy, right? 22. Okay. The next one also we did. Is it easy?
Purple color guys, that's the
Right. The next one is, am I doing first?
No.
No. Okay. Right. The last one is, not the last one, right? There are, right. The seventh one. Two-way table shows the information about the breeds of horses completing at the horse home. Right? They have given the details. What you want to do, you want to copy and complete the table. How many Morgan horses have a male owner? How many of the horses are not thoroughbred horses? Right. Okay. We'll start. Where to start? Right. We can easily
42.
Morgan.
Arabian total.
42.
Right. Arabian total we can get. So what should be the total?
68.
68. Okay. The total is 68. Right. Then we can take the Morgan male owners also we can get because two information they have
18
given. We
plus
have to find what? How to get that?
44.
Yeah. How to get that?
18.
62 subtract 18. That is
44.
44. Right. Okay. So we can take the total here, right? Male total we can get easily. How to get this total? You need to subtract from 222, subtract 119. What is the answer?
103.
103. It's okay. Right. After that, how to do? Where to start now? How to get?
20.
Which one is easy now?
Thoroughbred.
Oh, thoroughbred, we can take the female total, right? Okay, what do you want to do? You need to add 42, 18, and 4. That answer you need to subtract it by 190. Okay, give the answer.
55.
55, right. Okay, so if you know this one, we can get the total, right? 55 plus 25.
80.
80. Okay. Right. Then how to get? Okay. Then we can get the male owners other.
26 plus 44.
Uh,
Then we have to minus by 103.
yes. Yeah. What should be the answer then?
8.
8. And the last one, when you add these two, it's
4.
4.
12.
It's not 4. It's 4.
12.
12. Right. Okay. So how many of the Morgan horses have a male owner? How many?
44.
Yes,
44.
44. The last one. How many of the horses are not thoroughbred horses?
Are not.
Yes,
Uh,
not.
103 plus 119.
What is the answer? What is the answer?
222.
No. What is the answer in that? Are not. Right. Anyone? How many horses are not thoroughbred horses? Are not. From without this, the rest of the things, right? That means you need to add these two. That's the question. You need to add these two. Yeah, give the answer for that. How many of the horses are not Thoroughbred horses. Not thoroughbred horses. Your chance. Anyone? I need the answer.
130.
No. Tiara, give a try.
6.
You cannot give you all the answers. You just think and give the answer. Are not. Not this one. Then you need to add the rest of the things. So you need to get the total of this. Arabian, Morgan, and other. What is the total?
50.
So when you take the total of 68, 62, and 12.
With 12. No.
Yeah, this is the total. Yeah, give the answer.
200.
200?
235.
No, so Arabian total, Morgan total, and other total. So when you get without the thoroughbred, when you give the other total, what is the answer? At 68, 62, and 12. When you take this total, what is the answer?
142.
Yes, 142. 142 is the answer. So that answer is wrong, right? Okay, clear? Right, shall we do the next one as well?
Okay, dear.
Okay, right. Both of you have finished?
No, teacher, I didn't do the.
Okay, right. So I will give the time then. Right. So I have given the time. We'll discuss the last question. Right. The two-way table shows the favorite topics of a group of 50 math students. Algebra, geometry, numbers, statistics, and total. Right. So we'll start. Right. Now your turn. Right. Start. Right. How to start
12
this?
plus 8.
Okay. 12 plus
20.
8. The answer is 20. Right. Then,
From 11 minus 6. 5.
5.
right. Okay. Then,
2 plus 1. 3.
2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Right.
Then 8 plus 5 plus 6.
Mm.
6.
18. 20.
20. Here 20. Okay. Then,
Add 12 and 6. And then minus 2.
12. And so, no, you need to have the total to do that. No. So, we can take the number total. So, what is the number total? How to get the number total? You can get all these values. These three totals, you need to subtract by 50. You will get the answer. What should be the answer there?
16.
16. Okay. So, if you know the 16, you can get the number of girls. Okay. How many
16.
then? What should be the answer here?
10.
10. Okay. So then you can take the girls total. The girls
30.
total
30.
30. Right. Done. Very good. Okay. Copy and complete the table. We have done. How many of the boys choose geometry as their favorite topic? How many of the boys?
5.
Right.
5.
Okay. How many girls are there in the group?
30.
30.
30. Okay. Then how many of the students did not choose algebra or geometry as their favorite topic?
6.
19. 19.
19. Any answer? Yes, 19 is correct. Okay, 19 is correct. Okay.